She brought me up when you let me down. She nothing like you, she different. She's nothing like you, she magnificent. She intelligent, she love me better than you better than. She love me better than you. She made me happy, she made me smile. She brought me up when you let me down. Could you hold a title? It comes with a lie. Could you hold a title? You don't have to lie. Could you hold a title? Could you play the role?
Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and begin tying down my dome head, my mannequin head, with a plastic bag. This is just to keep it clean and keep any dye from getting on it. I like to keep my dome heads clean. So I'm gonna be using 2 bottles of Huckleberry blue and 1 bottle of ocean blue. Um, Huckleberry blue, I ended up mixing it with conditioner just to get it to a lighter consistency, so it wouldn't be so strong on the hair. Unfortunately, the second half of the video where I showed you guys the ends was cut off, but basically I used ocean blue on the top part, and I also used Huckleberry mixed with conditioner on the top, and then I used Huckleberry by itself on the bottom. I'm sorry that it got cut out. I don't even know what happened to the video. So now I'm just going to be taking my makeup. As you guys can see, the lace is really yellow, but I took my makeup and I kind of just pressed it into the lace and pressed it in on the hair so I can have more of an illusion of my real hair. Y'all know I love my hot comb, so I'm just going to be hot combing the hair down, and I'm going to begin to start cutting off my ear tabs. I record my ear tabs cutting them off camera. It's kind of hard to do it on camera for you guys to see, but I just kind of pull out that piece, and then I just basically cut exactly out of that. So that's what it looks like once it's cut off all the way. So for those who are going to ask, I am using the clear white glue, and it's called Ghost Bond glue. Once again, it's called Ghost Bond glue. So I've been using this new brand for my baby hairs, and it's BTZ Beyond the Zone, and it's called Bada Bing Gel. I really like the gel. It smells so good. So that's what I'll be using on my baby hairs.
Alright guys, so this is basically the final result of the install. From what I'll say, the lace was a really yellow color. Like, it was really like no one's skin like that couldn't match no girl's complexion. The lace itself was really yellow. I don't know why it was so yellow, but it was like crazy yellow. So another issue I had was that the lace didn't want to lay down. I had to tie it down with a scarf in order for it to lay down. That's a method I like to take. I just tie it down with a scarf, but I usually don't have to take that method if the lace is good. Not necessarily the lace is good, just usually I don't have to do that step. I shouldn't really have that many issues with the lace. So that was the issue. It wasn't laying down. I ended up having to tie it down with a scarf. As you guys can see, I got it to blend with my skin. If you look in the video of when I was coloring this hair, the hairline was like so Batman-y. I don't even deal with frontals with that type of hairline, but I made it work. And I mean, I can always make it work. I just choose not to because it's a lot of work. But I plucked the hell out of that front. Like, I plucked it, and I didn't. There's like so much more that could be plucked is how much I didn't pluck, like as much as I usually do. So yeah. The hair itself colored really good. I'll have in the description box the products that I used to color this hair. I've also had it inserted into the video of what I used to color this hair. But yes, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I really won't be keeping this hair in for long. I just don't wear colors like this, and it's really not me. So I'm not gonna keep this hair in for too long. I might just take it out tonight. I really don't know. I really missed filming for y'all. I don't film as much as I should, so it's been a minute since I posted it. Oh, I guess that was. Anyways, though, so this hair is from Supernova Hair, and I'm wearing a 20-inch frontal and 24, and 24, 3 bundles of 24-inch hair. As you guys can see, the way I colored it, I kind of made the ends get darker. I asked you guys whether I should do yellow or this color, and y'all all chose this color. So here it is. It's alright. Like, I'm not a huge fan of it, but I like it. Like, I just don't, I'm not comfortable with this color and being this bright in a way. But anyways, I'm probably gonna keep this hair in for a couple more days and let you guys know how it holds up. But for now, I'll be honest, I did have some issues with the lace, and as well as when I was plucking it, the hairs were kind of popping instead of pulling off, so it kind of looked like a shaved area versus how it usually is. But anyways, I got it together. I made it work because I could do what it do. But yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you guys like this tutorial. Let me slide the camera back some. So y'all can kind of see what it looks like. This is it. It's cute. Like, it's cute, but you know, you can't walk around bare with this. You just have to have your face be and stuff. You can't be like just regular plain Jane with this color hair on. Anywho, this wig will be going on sale, so y'all stay tuned for it, because I know y'all gonna want, or some people gonna want it. It might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I know it's gonna sell. So yep, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it was helpful for you guys. You guys go check out Supernova's hair and let me know what y'all think in the comments.